Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the checkers stitch. You'll find the written tutorial down below. For this stitch you want a multiple of 6 plus 2 for your beginning chain. So go ahead and chain a multiple of 6, and then once it is the width you would want, add 2 more chains. We are going to start by double crocheting into the third chain from the hook. And then double crochet into the next 2 chains. So here we have 3 double crochets. This beginning chain 2 won't count as a stitch. Next, chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 chains, and then double crochet into the next 3 chains. And that is going to be the pattern we follow all the way across the chain. So chain 3, skip 3, and then double crochet into the next 3 chains. Chain 3, skip 3, and then double crochet into the next 3 chains. And then here at the end, you will have 3 chains remaining. Chain up 2, and then make 1 double crochet into that last chain. And this is what the first row looks like. For row 2, we're going to chain up 2, turn our work. And since this chain 2 does not count as a stitch, this is our first stitch here that we will be working into. So make a double crochet into that very first stitch. And then we're also going to double crochet into each of these chains. So it should look like this. We have 3 double crochets. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip these 3 double crochets, and then we are going to double crochet into each of these 3 chains. So here you'll see the checker pattern starting to form. So we're chaining 3 and skipping all of these double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, skip the double crochets, and then where there are chain spaces, we are making double crochets into each of the 3 chains. So chain 3, skip the double crochets, and then double crochet into the chains. And then when you get to the end, you should always end with 3 double crochets in the previous row, and you will chain 2 and then double crochet into the last stitch. And then all you have to do is repeat that last row until you have the height that you need. So again, we chain up 2. You'll make 3 double crochets, the first one starting in this first stitch, and then a double crochet in each of the chains. Chain 3, skip, and then double crochet in these 3 chains, and then so on and so forth. And then when you get to the end here, you will chain 2 and then double crochet into that last stitch. And this is the end result. You can block this if you want the gaps to be uniform with the squares. This stitch makes a great fabric for market bags and garments. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.